alerted the public to the potentials of the government. When I say government, now I'm talking about both the political class in terms of the politically exposed persons and civil servants who are known for actually feasting on people's misery and challenges for financial benefits. So the pandemic and the COVID-19 actually created another opportunity for them to not only address the issue, and that is why you will see that the Ministry for Humanitarian Affairs could not provide justification for the 700 billion naira that was claimed to have been spent in terms of providing services, school feeding program, even for children while the schools were on holiday. So it queries what exactly were the purpose for which these funds were allocated and who were the beneficiary, the two beneficiaries. The same thing goes to the health infrastructures and facilities. You will remember quite a number of the civil society organizations also challenged the government to take advantage of the pandemic situation to upgrade the status and standard of our primary health care system and the secondary health facilities, not only to deal with COVID, but to also provide the buffer for the country to speedily respond to any form of pandemic situation that would come in the future. But unfortunately, we have also missed that. It only created an opportunity for those who would want to misappropriate funds to do that, and at the same time to assist their friends who have medical centers that have created testing centers for COVID-19 at cutthroat prices for the ordinary and indigent people that was priced out of the reach of the ordinary people. So it's really not the good thing that you will want to see in the situation, and it is something that the media, the civil society, and the citizens must challenge the government to ensure that we don't allow for the repeat of this recurrent idea and practices of those who are already entrusted with the resources of the country. And the NSAS thing, which is actually going to be 1 year next month, like I have always said, the young people have done to Nigeria an historical achievement of exposing the atrocities of some of the security agencies. They have also assisted in bringing the challenges of the people to the fore. The government, as you would have it, responded to some of the demands, acceding to quite a number of them, not because they were willing to do that, not of their own free gift and free will, but because of the pressure that the protest brought. And the 5 out of 5 that they were demanding, the last one is the reform of the police, which is supposed to be an ongoing process, and that is important. The other 4 were granted, including the disbandment of the anti-fraud, special whatever that we have in the police, are the achievement of the young people. So the reform of the police must be monitored such that you don't have a report or the recreation of that SARS in any other guise. And the other law enforcement agencies are not allowed to adopt that practice of the SARS that was disbanded. In terms of getting compensation, obviously, not all the states actually created the panel, but the ones that have created, some of them have concluded sitting. And it's important that we monitor what are the recommendations that are coming from there. Lagos State, for especially and in particular, where you have one of the highest number of cases of police brutality, must also be challenged with the report that would be coming. We have seen where some compensations were doled out, but that is not also sufficient. There must be the monitoring mechanisms for which the police council that composed of these governors, the president, the chairman of the Police Service Commission, and the inspector general must take feedback on what are the activities of the police. It should not be left to episodic situation where people will have to protest because before police are monitoring. Lagos State has almost excited the people by saying there's going to be the body camera for the police, and was launched by the state governor about 2 months ago. But unfortunately, we have not seen any police on the street with the body camera.